Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save PowerPoint presentation on Microsoft. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple step. So basically, to save any presentation, we will be needing first like to open PowerPoint or Office PowerPoint. So I'm just going to start menu and search for PowerPoint. Now we are going to start like only a blank presentation and I'm just going to delete all these and here I'm just going to insert anything for my for this video and basically let's just have it as this. Now we want like to simply save our presentation. So we need just to go to the file menu. So from here, file menu, then you go to save as or save. And basically, the first thing to do is to enter a name for your presentation, my new PPT. And basically, you can leave this as it is. And now you can browse to for a location where you want to save your presentation. So I'm just going to leave it on the desktop. And basically, now I'm having my presentation that has been saved successfully on my desktop. If you want like to save it on your OneDrive, you can find it like on your OneDrive or on basically your cloud, you will be able to go to your OneDrive account. So from here, I'm just going to OneDrive and basically I will be able to find my presentation. So let's just go to my files and basically my new presentation has been added to my uh, cloud. And now I'm being able to start modifying on my presentation online. This means I can do it from any other computer just from the web browser. And this is an advantage of having like your files on the cloud and you will be able to start using them or uh, modify them online. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.